Hey guys, Troy Moldy here with TM Listings, and I'm with Jeremy Peterson, and we are doing our monthly outreach for the month of June 2020, and I just wanted to talk to you guys and do a little refresher. So let's jump on here and let's find a property that we can look at, and let's see, that one is uninsured. Okay, this would be a good one to chat about. Uninsured. When you see a property that's uninsured, it's kind of a unique one in that something's going on with the property that's making it that the FHA appraiser says that it needs too much work, too much damage, or something that that HUD will not insure that property. But that's not what I was looking for. But that's one of the statuses. It's a rare status. It doesn't happen too often. What's this one here? Insured with escrow. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Anytime you see it insured with escrow, it means something's going on with the property. So quick little recap. This is the bidder, owner, occupants, nonprofits, government agencies. It looks like you have 5 days, 2 hours, and 28 minutes for this bid line. And over here, it's going to stay in the exclusive period until the 10th of July. If no offers are accepted before then it'll go to the extended status, and up here we'll say all bidder. When we look at the addendums and we go down to the property condition report, sure we'll download those. And this is the property condition report that's going to tell us what's wrong with the property. So electric is off, the property did not feed due to old 60 amp fuse. Electric's operated okay, electric's operated, proper line supply cut, missing some areas. Okay, so plumbing, the plumbing doesn't hold pressure and there's something going on with the electrical. So this is where a person that wants to buy this home could look at it and use an FHA 203B with escrow repair. And these items that were in the property condition report that the appraiser calls out, they can get bids and then add those into their loan as long as it doesn't exceed $10,000. And that's the 203B with escrow repair, because HUD will not allow you to fix a property prior to closing, and HUD will not fix anything. So that 203B with escrow repairs allows a buyer to roll those repairs into their loan, kind of like a new construction loan at the end. And then after closing, the appraiser can come back and sign off on them. So those are just a couple different statuses that I wanted to go over. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. Thanks for checking in. Bye-bye.